Hey guys, Jason here with Centered CrossFit, back with another video. Today we have Lauren with us, and she's going to help us demonstrate the ring row for you. So first thing we want to do is get the ring rows set up. So Lauren's going to make sure that these ring rows are set right to about her hip height. That typically is a good starting point. Now from here, she's going to grab onto the rings, and then she's going to put her feet about right behind the rings, maybe underneath the rings, whatever you feel comfortable with to start. Okay, from there she's just going to lean back. All right, and she's gonna have her arms nice and long. She's gonna lock out her knees, and notice how she's balanced on her heel. That's really, really important. So she wants to be in a nice tight plank position here. Okay, now her upper body, we want to be in a nice hollow position. So she's gonna pull her shoulders back and think about tucking her ribs down, and then she's gonna think about tucking her pelvis underneath. Okay, now this is a good hollow position. Go ahead and relax for a second. Now, if you don't know what a hollow position is, we have another video on our YouTube as well that goes over that. So make sure to check that out to figure out what exactly a hollow hold is if you don't know. Okay, now go ahead. You're just gonna lean back again. From here, we like to think thumbs up, and then when she pulls up to the top, she's gonna go thumbs slightly out. Okay, now go ahead, just do like 3 reps for us. There's 1, cool, and then 2, and then 3, cool. So if you notice when she comes up to the top, her elbows stay close to her body. Show us elbows out wide to the side. Yeah, that's bad. We don't want to do that, right? So go ahead, go back to the other position there. Thumbs slightly out, elbows nice and in. Cool, from there she goes down to the bottom. She stays tight in the bottom here too. Her shoulders are pulled back. She's still in that nice hollow position, legs locked out, and she's gonna pull back up to the top. Go ahead and relax. Now, one fault that we do see when we go down to the bottom is that we get lazy and we start to loosen our body, right? So go ahead, come back down to the bottom, and let's just show us like a relaxed shoulder, a loose position here. So this position's not ideal. We don't want to stay in this position, or we don't want to ring row in this position. So she's going to come back, nice tight, pull her shoulders back, find that hollow position again, lock her knees out, balance on her heels. She's going to keep her eyes focused up here to the top of the ring rows, to this bar that they're hanging on. And then she's just going to go for 3 more reps. 1, 2, and then 3. Cool, go ahead and relax. So you notice those were nice and smooth. She was nice and relaxed, under control the whole time as she was doing those. Now, let's say that those become pretty easy. What can we do? Go ahead. You can take a look at her feet here now. Now, to make them harder, she's gonna walk her feet more underneath the rings, okay? Now, to make them easier, she's gonna walk her feet back farther from the rings. So if she goes back into the bottom position here, notice how her body's a little bit more upright. That's going to make it a little bit easier. Now, if she walks her feet forward more on the other side of the rings, notice how her body's more parallel to the ground. That's going to make it a lot harder, okay? So go ahead and relax. So that's some ways that you can play around with it. Now, if we want to make it harder, we got to keep the quality there, right? She's still got to be in the nice tight plank position, in the hollow position, as she pulls throughout the top and the bottom through the full range of motion throughout that. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and check out all of our other videos on our YouTube series.